Okay, for using intro, this folder, I make this composition with my video. Go in, choose one of these 4 intros. For example, I choose number 2. Drag it a little bit. For example, 2 seconds. And it's 4K, and my composition is full HD. So you can go in transform and scale down layer to 50, and let's see, for editing the elements, go in intro. Here you have a color and setting layer, select it and go in effect control. You have all color controls, position controls. You can change the position, you can change the color, and for the text, go in edit comps, go in this composition. You have 2 composition, open them and simply just write your channel name. For example, I write motionist, and we have hope we have 1 million subscribers. Come here, everything changed, and that's it. And the next one is transitions. Choose one of these 7 transitions. For example, choose last one. Move the computer to match the cut. Scale it down to fit our composition. Open this. Here is the color and setting layer. You can change the color, so simple. And see what we have here. Nice. Okay, next one is the lower third. You have 20 lower thirds. 4 of them are the lower third with a name. You can change the name, and the rest of them, the other 16 are the social media. You can put it here, for example. And you can open it, select the color and setting layer, change the setting, change the colors, go in edit composition. In text composition, you have 2 text composition, open them and simply change the name. For the duration control, you need to just drag this end of the composition without disrupting the animation speed. That's it. Okay, next one is a comment. You have 6 comments. Choose, for example, this one. It's a bit long. You can reduce. Too big. Oops. Make it smaller and smaller, and open this. Here you have color and settings. See, you can change the direction, left to right or right to left. For example, in our situation, we need the right to left one. It's better. And Open the edit composition, open the composition. You have I choose the right to left. Right to left means it's this one from right. Open them. Now you have one text composition and one placeholder for image, for avatar, for icon, for anything you want. Let's go to the next one, like and subscribe folder. You have 16 composition here. Choose one of them. I don't know, number 6 for example. Oh, it's too big. Let's scale it down. You think, I'm gonna put it, I don't know, here for example. And you can open the folder, and here you can change the color, and like the intro one. That's it. You can change the color, the position, and everything you need is here. That's it for this one. Let's move on to the next one, the end screen. We have 3 end screens. For example, choose this one. It's big, make it small to fit our composition. Move it a bit further, and for change settings, go in composition. You have color here. You have any settings you need, but the important part is to go edit, open the composition. You have text and placeholder. For example, I want to change the video. Open this and drag your video, your image here. Big to fit the composition. Right. Come here and boom. So beautiful. And then you can render out, and that's it.